Step 1. Eligibility requirements. To qualify for a security guard license in Connecticut, you must meet the following conditions. Be at least 18 years old, be legally allowed to work in the U.S., have not been convicted of a disqualifying crime, complete the required state-approved training. In Connecticut, you can't legally perform guard duties until you have your official card, or your application is pending and your employer has registered you with the state special licensing and firearms unit. Step 2. Complete the required training. In Connecticut, you must complete an 8-hour instructor-led course approved by the state covering topics like intro to private security, search, seizure, use of force law, first aid basics, and more. Training must be done through a state-approved provider, and once you pass the training, you'll receive the certificate required for your application. Typical cost for the course is $95 to $150 depending on provider. Step 3. Once training is complete, you'll receive a certificate or your instructor will sign off on your application. Keep this document safe, you'll need it for your application. In Connecticut, there is no state-administered security guard exam beyond the testing that is typically part of the 8-hour training course. Some employers may help you with registration, but you as the applicant are ultimately responsible for obtaining the card before you begin guard duties. All links are in the video description. Step 4. Complete your fingerprinting and background check. As part of the application for Security Officer Training Certification ID card, you must submit fingerprints and undergo state and FBI background checks. Typically, you pay the FBI fee of $13.25 and the state background fee of $75 unless waived. Include one 2x2 passport style photo and valid ID card. This process can be confusing the first time through, so I put together a printable checklist with every verified step, cost, and official link for Connecticut. You can find it on my Etsy and Beacons pages. Step 5. Submit your application to the SLFU at the Connecticut Department of Emergency Services and Public Protection. You'll fill out Form DPS 135C. Required documents and steps include the completed DPS 135C with all applicant info, proof of training completion, 2x2 photo, valid state ID, and proof of work eligibility. The application fee is $100 payable to Treasurer, State of Connecticut. Once your application is approved and employer registration is done, your ID card will be issued. Step 6. Let's break down the full cost to get licensed in Connecticut. The training course is $95 to $150, though varies by provider. Application for ID card is $100. The background and fingerprint fees are $13 and $75. The employer registration fee for your employer is $40 and it's employer paid. The estimated total out-of-pocket cost is $200 to $300. And for perspective, the median wage for security guards in Connecticut is around $19.23 an hour or around $39,990 per year, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. 7. Once your application is approved, you will receive your Security Officer Training Certification Identification Card from DESPP. This card is what legally allows you to work as an unarmed security guard in Connecticut. You must carry this while on duty. Your employer can't register you with the state for work until you hold this card or your application is valid and submitted. Step 8. Renewal. Your security officer ID card is valid for 5 years. When renewing, the fee is $100. If you let the card lapse more than 90 days past expiration, you may face additional fees or retraining. Training requirement typically not required if renewing on time and in good standing. Step 9. Now that you're licensed, it's time to start applying for jobs. Use job boards like Indeed. Join r/guard guides to discuss pay rates, licensing tips, and hiring leads. Need tools to stand out? Check out my Beacons page for free resources and my Etsy store for premium templates and study guides. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.